Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for Minecraft. To start, let's look at your video settings. Finding the right balance between visual quality and smooth performance is key. You'll want to adjust your render distance, as this significantly impacts how much your computer has to process. Also, experiment with graphics options like fancy or fast to see what works best for your system. Now, let's dive into specific performance optimizations. Reducing particle effects can significantly lessen the load on your graphics card, making your game feel much smoother. Turning off VSync might also give you a noticeable boost in frame rates, especially if you have a high refresh rate monitor. Additionally, lowering your simulation distance can improve overall game speed by reducing the area the game actively processes around you. Beyond just performance, some settings can greatly enhance your visual and gameplay experience. Adjusting your brightness to a comfortable level ensures you can always see clearly, even in dark caves. Experiment with your field of view, or FOV, to find a perspective that feels natural and gives you a good overview of your surroundings. Enabling dynamic lighting can also make your world feel much more alive and immersive. For those looking to push their Minecraft experience further, consider allocating more RAM to the game. This can significantly improve stability and reduce lag, especially with larger mod packs. Installing Optifine is another excellent step, offering many more granular settings for performance and visual tweaks. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.